Hi guys, welcome back to Creative Hannah. Today we're going to be making this awesome leprechaun trap. If you want to see how I made it, stay tuned so you can figure out how to make this part and what's inside. But like this stuff is that, this, and this is not in there because we forgot to. So, and on Leprechaun's Day, which is tomorrow, I will tell you, when I look in my trap, I will tell you guys if I caught a leprechaun or not. Hi guys, so today we're going to do a leprechaun trap. I've pre-put paper on this box and on this box. So all we need to do now is start making the real part of the trap and furnituring it. So I'll start off by putting in, just using my Barbie bin for now. I'll put in probably stuff in here. Put some stuff in here. This. This is not all my Barbie stuff, just so you know. I'll start off with this rug. Put that in. Take that out. We don't need that yet. Put this pretty rug in. And I'll also put in a, let's see. Should I put this vanity in for the leprechaun? I don't think I should, no. Anything in here that I could give him? Oh, we do. We have a shower. I'll put maybe the shower in here. So guys, I have everything I need. I will put down the bed first. I'll put it just in the corner. I'll also put its bedding in. The pillow. And the blanket. I'll also put in a table for him or her. And a chair, a laptop. Why I'm putting a laptop in because it might get bored in. I'm also going to put a video game for the same reason. I'll put that right next to the table. I'll put a tub. Next we'll put in this bean bag right here. Cannot forget about a little book. Put that on the table. And just for a little treat, a green Hershey. And then some coins. Shh, don't tell the leprechaun, they're chocolate coins. Put those right there. And that's all I have for now. So guys, now we're painting the ladder for the trap.
You're welcome.
I'm going to use gold and green. I'm using 2 big popsicle sticks and 4 mini ones. I'm going to start off with my gold ore, and then I'm also using neon green. These are just acrylic paints. So just kind of put it on there.
Oh, that's all I gotta do?
And use my paint. And just paint
Oh shoot, I went to the water. I only got, well no, I got on fire.
And put more on it because you want it to be nice and gold.
Sure.
Do the other one
And
too.
What are you doing,
it's
wash?
super
I
gold.
mean, I'm going to a few.
So it will look super pretty, and
Shoot.
just put a
Yeah, I
tiny
know. I
bit
tried to get the.
of that there. And just repeat this
What'd you say?
until you're done with these.
What?
I'll paint the backs
Oh,
too,
she's drawing it
so it won't matter which side you put it on. And okay, I'll put I'm gonna take 2 of my mini popsicle sticks, lay my gold out. Well, I have both colors out, and paint 2 of my sticks gold and 2 of my sticks green.
Take some from there.
Oh.
Gold.
Well, that's
The
good
gold
money.
one. You might need to do a few coats if you use this,
Finally got approved for a
paint,
garage. They are sending the rest
but
of
you
the
don't
money
need to
this
do it
week.
totally
Unfortunately,
gold,
the new estimate
but you
is
want it
for
to be gold
basic
enough.
build. We will need help with some stuff after it's built.
You want it to be gold enough so you can see the gold, that it's gold and not just a muted
Well, I
brown.
can't. Oh, shoot.
So
I
I
can't do
need to
electric.
grab a different brush. I'll grab this brush. Just gotta uncrunch it.
Yeah, I know.
This is a paint.
Yeah. Oh, you
Think
lady.
about that while you're painting. What if you're using like this unwashable paint, this paint that will come off? Make sure that you have something that will guard it. That guards the paint, and that's good for me because then I can just take it off the mat and paint this. And I'll let these dry. I'll see you when this ladder is done. Bye! Hi, I'm using glue to put glitter on. Ooh, I should make a coin, I just realized. I'll make one shiny coin. So I'm putting this green glitter on where I put the glue on the shamrocks. So you can...
2, 3.
So guys, how we made this rainbow is we took some paper and rainbow colored pipe cleaners, and then we folded them into a rainbow shape. We glued them on the piece of paper. Then we cut it out. Then we added pom-poms on and a stick to make it stand. And this bridge we glued these rainbow painted popsicle sticks on, and it has all the rainbow colors, and I used big cotton balls for this. And you might be wondering how you can see all of these rainbow colors. It's because I used 2 just plain popsicle sticks, and I glued them onto there. And then I glued this on. So basically, this is kind of what I did for that. So I took popsicle sticks, painted them in gold and green, and then I glued them like this. So now, when he climbs up, he has something to do. And this, it says Leprechaun Hotel, filled with gold. There's an arrow down there because that's the hotel. This is some shamrocks, an arrow pointing down. Here's a rainbow with gold. Then there are some mountains to show it's very fun. And I used green, tiny bit of gold, a tiny bit of silver. You can tell that I used all kinds of things down here. And there's a tiny bit of silver right there.